Eva looked up at the night sky and felt a tiny bit overwhelmed. Eva staring at billions of years of history and trillions of miles of emptiness. But what does it all actually mean? Today we are breaking down the universe in 180 seconds. Here are 5 essential things you need to know about astronomy. Let's dive in. What exactly is astronomy? First things first, what is astronomy? Simply put, it is the study of everything outside Earth's atmosphere. From the moon in our backyard to the most distant galaxies, astronomers use physics and math to understand how the universe was born, how it evolves, and where it is going. It is basically the ultimate detective story, and the universe is the crime scene. What is a light year? In space, we don't use kilometers, they are too small. We use light years. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, about 9.46 trillion kilometers. When you look at a star that is 10 light years away, you are not seeing it as it is now. You are seeing how it looked 10 years ago. Space is essentially a time machine. What is a supernova? Think of this as a cosmic firework. A supernova is the massive explosion of a dying star. When a star much larger than our sun runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity and then rebounds in a giant blast. It is so bright it can outshine entire galaxies for weeks. Fun fact, most of the elements in your body like iron and calcium were actually created inside these exploding stars. What is a black hole? If a star is massive enough when it dies, it does not just explode, it collapses into a black hole. This is a region of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Think of it as a cosmic vacuum cleaner with no off switch. If you cross the event horizon, the point of no return, there's no comeback. Are we alone? The biggest question, are we alone? We don't know yet, but the numbers are in favor of no. There are an estimate 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each with billions of stars. Statistically, the odds of us being the only life forms are incredibly low. We are just waiting for that first hello. Mind blown yet? The universe is vast, beautiful, and slightly terrifying, and that's why we admire it. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a mystery. For daily space facts and behind the scenes content, follow me on Instagram. Keep looking up and I'll see you in the next one.